Is it Henry?
Yes,
Yes. How are you doing?
glad to meet you. Thank you for inviting me to this meeting.
Yes. Nice to meet you. So you're in
Việt Nam, yeah.
in Saigon, correct?
Hanoi.
In Hanoi. Fantastic. So there's a bit of echo there actually, or a bit of feedback on your side. Is it? Is it? Do you have that as well, Shahid? Oh, maybe it's okay. All right, no worries. Yeah, just to introduce ourselves. So, yeah, I'm Kevin, one of the software development managers here at NextGen. I've just joined 2 weeks ago to help support the team in the growth and a move to a more robust platform. We have Shahid here, who's heading up the DevOps team.
Hey, I'm Shahid. I'm from Bangladesh. I am like managing the DevOps team right now, but previously I was part of the DevOps dev team as a technical architect. And I'm here for around a year so far. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, cool. So, just as an overview of what we'll be covering, so give an overview of NextGen, company and role, if you haven't had this already from the agency, and then go through your CV experience, the project you've worked on, and then a bit of culture, fit questions, product focus, agile experience, etc. Yeah. So keen to know if you're familiar with NextGen. Have you heard of us? Do you know anything about the company?
Yes, I see online uh, IaaS company on GPU. Yes, that is what I found. I know about the company and the product. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So essentially, we are a cloud-based platform. The primary IP is GPUs. This is how we're kind of differentiating ourselves from the hyperscalers like AWS, GCP, Azure. We focus on GPUs. So one of the biggest providers in Europe. And yeah, so we started with kind of infrastructure is the core selling point. So we have thousands of GPUs purchased by investors, loaned out to customers, and we're making a move towards having services built on top. So infrastructure as a service to start with, a move to platforms, and then eventually services on top of our platform. So this will be things like AI applications and kind of end-to-end solutions that users can use to build out their own kind of custom software whilst utilizing our own hardware. So at the moment, we pretty much have a cloud computing platform, so an interface for users to spin up VMs and GPUs, and kind of a fully functioning extensive API that a lot of users utilize to perform the same actions. So yeah, this role is coming in to support the kind of core platform, so that cloud computing UI and API. And yeah, worth mentioning, we've started, as a very kind of get stuff done attitude, moving very quickly in the startup phase, but we've grown incredibly fast. Now have thousands of users, a lot of revenue coming in, and we're looking to make a move to have a more kind of enterprise-ready solution. So adding robustness, adding quality, adding processes to our workflow, a lot of which we don't have right now. So it's it's still a very fast-paced kind of startup atmosphere, but we want to move to that sort of processes and quality-based approach. How does that align with what you're looking for?
Yes, it is aligned with my expectation. Yet, increasing user and revenue, yeah, GPU service, yeah, infrastructure.
Sure. Cool. Yeah, we'll leave some time at the end for questions on whatever you have on the company and role. We're keen to have a look at some of your experience here from your CV. So, yeah, what was it that you were doing at Eversea? Is it Eversea?
Yes, we are um, a company that maintain the application. We are software service. Yes, we maintain the product and develop the product for the company. Other yes, we are outsource company. Yes, we do some of the project. Before that, I have experience with the project using the GPU to change the model for the OpenCV for the image processing. Yes, some other.
Yeah, sorry, what is the first of all, what is the core product that Eversea do? What is the product?
uh, the outsource company, so we do a lot of project.
Okay, it's consulting, so you have various products that you develop and sell. Okay, yeah, sorry, and the core product that you were working on.
Yes, the core product we work on the for an AI project, we need to manage the model, change the model, optimize the GPU, and write some API to run the prediction and monitor the performance of that model. Yes, it is for image processing.
Okay, image processing. What kind of image processing? What was the end? What was the use case?
It is for the golf industry. Golf.
For what? Sorry.
Golf.
Golf. Golf
Golf
industry.
industry.
Right. Okay. So, so like analyzing
The
a golf swing.
movement, swing analysis.
So with the aim to what, provide feedback for improving technique, or
Yes.
how?
For
Right.
swing.
Okay. That's yeah. Okay. That's quite unique. Yeah. Awesome. So essentially image processing using GPUs. Which aspect of this were you involved with? Did you have a data science team that you worked with? Did you have a data engineering team that you worked with? What was the team that you were in specifically?
Yes, we have data scientist and data engineering, and we get the data from the customer. They will send the image, and we will extract the model and using the YOLO V5 to change the model, run the detection and draw the trajectory of the movement, and then detect the touching point where the putter swing touch the ball. Yes, calculate the angle.
Sorry, so you worked with data scientists. What was the team? What team were you in? And what was the team called? Were you is it a back end team? Was it the product team? What was the team that you were in, and who were the team members that you had? Was it just a team of four?
We have 5 team member in that project.
Okay, of full stack engineers.
Yes, I'm full stack. I'm in charge of both the front end and the back end. Manage the GPU to change the model and deploy it.
Right. Okay. Right. Sure. So, I guess more specifically on the work you did. So, how did you optimize these GPU accelerated workflows?
Yes. So to optimize the CPU, we have NVIDIA inside to do the profiling and visualize the performance.
Right. Did you use so in order to interact with the GPUs? Did you have any third-party services that you used to handle that infrastructure setup, or did you build out your own services to to spin up VMs, spin up the GPUs? How did you manage this?
Yes, we use NVIDIA for the for filing tool and to location resources. We based on the memory and the compute resource. We use write some algorithm uh, for the optimization. We use cuDNN for deep learning. Yes, and
Use what? Sorry.
cuDNN. Yes,
Right.
yeah, for the GPU acceleration, and we do parallel execution to ensure that GPU are fully utilized with a minimal idle time and thread configuration and memory access to reduce the latency. Yeah. Our code. Yeah, we write code on that.
Okay. So have you heard of OpenStack?
Yes.
You have or you haven't?
Not yet, but I about OpenStack. It is for the cloud computing to manage the pool and compute storage, and it has a dashboard that give we control everything.
Right. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Well, I think that's a good overview of experience here. Really. Do you have any questions for us on the company overall?
Yes. How about the senior full stack developer task and the way he work every day?
Sorry. Say that again.
How about the responsibility for the senior full stack developer? What does he do every day with
Uh,
him? Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, essentially, the role is to provide feature enhancement and support for the core platform. So this is for both the UI cloud computing system that the end users see, as well as API development for the backend system. So it's essentially the core product we call HyperStack, and it's developing features on top of that. We plan to extend this to support various front end and API-based features, as well as eventually move to a more performance system. So handling the scale of users as we grow, essentially working on this the scale of supporting thousands and thousands of users that we eventually have. So essentially on both the UI, API, and performance and resilient aspects of the platform.
Yes, I love to work with the performance.
Okay. Yeah. Fantastic. Any other questions?
Yes, that all I give on the knowledge about the company product, the task, responsibility, how it works. Yes, and I also have some experience on the GPU.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say again?
Yes, so I had to the for today meeting I get all the information I read about the company product, the tool that using OpenStack on the support the need and the need of fast play and grow of the company. Yes, and if I know that company using the pay as you go pricing on the usage to check wide range of the customer. Yes.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, I didn't quite catch all of that,
Yeah,
but
I have some experience with some tool for GPU accelerate service, reduce the processing time,
yes.
enhance the data handling capability, and some on the open.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
great to know.
open spec. Yeah.
Cool. Okay, cool. Yes, thank you for that. Yes. All right. Well, we'll discuss this and see about any other interview on the tech side. Thank you very much, Henry.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, cheers.